My favorite item today. Oh my god! And she took a photo like. Okay, we both bought the same models. Super cool, bro.
Oh my god, this is so good.
Hey, bro, where did you buy this?
Yeah,
I said,
what is this brand?
Okay, and when I say Zara, and they said, oh, Zara. It means what? I have e-jats. I have like a 6'5".
6'7".
I have like 6'7" denim jackets. Buongiorno. Long time no see, yeah. Our last video is like a few months ago, yeah.
Now we have many things.
We have lot of things. Like 40 something like that. Yeah, so we will separate like 2 to 3 episodes, we'll see. Today we have accessories, clothes, pants, many things.
Many things.
See, let's go. First thing, there you go.
Guess. Always.
Vivienne Westwood.
Every video.
Yeah, every videos you can see Vivienne Westwood. Accessories, necklaces, rings.
Everything.
From her.
I'm a brand loyalty, you know.
Okay, what is this?
This is a ring.
It's a built ring.
Basic collection. It's built.
Built ring.
Vivienne Westwood.
Big logo on it.
Really like it, you know.
And it looks very heavy.
But it's not.
It's not?
It's not heavy.
925 silver, punk, but still very wearable, I would say. Easy one. Next one. TwoJeys, also brand loyalty. I have two TwoJeys hats. Yeah, one is the red one I showed before. This one I bought also in Paris. I like the shape, and you can see the TwoJeys logo here. And Chelsea 1979. I searched why they use 1979, but I had no answer. Yeah, I don't know why. But Chelsea is a football club, and there's also a racing flag pattern here, and all embroidery. And I like the color with the beige and the black combination.
I think the year is random. They just want to do
like vintage retro things. Yeah, I like the shape.
There's a line here.
Yeah, I like the shape. It's very fit my head because my head is very very round. Yeah, so it's very fit. It's not too deep. Layer hats, always very good. So if your face like me, you can check layer hat. See. Next one. see.
Arctic spinning. I think everyone knows.
Yeah, like very common things.
And it's black and white again. I love black and white.
Oh, at that time she was considering about
the black one,
white one, and they have like different models. Oh, she hesitated for like a half hour. Dang,
yeah.
Bro. Like, oh, because we've seen this one in Switzerland before.
Yeah, but it's more expensive.
Yeah, and when we come back,
okay, let's see in Milano.
Yeah, Milano is like a cheaper, a little bit. Cute. Very good, very nice. Rate 1 to 10 about her beanie. I would say 8 out of 10. It's very good on her. Looks good. And you also wear it when you were in Rome, right? And she took a photo like. Yes. Okay, this is the third one. Next one. Candle from Frama.
I love perfume, and I bought for him this brand, but another scent. And I was like, oh my god, I really like this one. So I bought one for myself.
The smell is quite
so
calm and a little bit woody, right? But not too sweet, not too strong.
Yeah, it's like that.
What is the name
powder.
of this thing? This is called Badson. Mine is Deep Forest. Both are smells so good.
But this one smells so strong.
Frama is a Danish brand, so everything feels very minimal and clean. Yeah, like a 50, 60 euro, something like that. Least scent, recommend to you. See.
Also Deep Forest. Try.
Next one. We both bought the same models. Okay, this is Nike Shox Z. Super cool, bro. The shape, the silhouette is quite sporty. Oh my god, it's like a racing car, like, you know.
It looks Y2K, but at the same time, it gives me a futuristic.
Yeah, because it's inspired by the 2000S models, Shox X.
Like me wear heels.
It's super high. Yes, when I
and
wear it,
it's
like
very comfy.
Yeah, it's super comfy because my feet are quite wide, so this shoe for me is like a little bit narrow, so I cannot wear for a long time. When you wear these shoes, I grow up like 2-3 centimeters, you know. And I remember they have 6-8 colors, and my favorite one is the black one with bubble color on the shoe sole, like that one. Their first color, I think. But when we went to the Nike store, and this is like boom,
Yeah.
right in front of the store.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one is very cool.
And we bought cheap.
Oh yeah, we bought fucking cheap because the original price is 130 euro, I think, right?
75.
70, 75 or...
We bought 75.
Yeah. And
Super cool.
Oh, and when your pants are too long, because it's high, you can cover the shoes, but it will not step on the pants.
Your pants can cover like here, and you can see
The heels
the
here.
heel side.
Love mine.
Elegant, you know.
Yeah, elegant. Yeah. Which color do you prefer? Gray or black? Next one. Okay, this is my next item. It's a cardigan from Alcoat. You know, I never tried this kind of clothes. This is my first try. I want to buy something simple, something more mature, so I try this one. This is like more like a spring summer things. The fabric is super elastic and it's light. Let me talk about Alcoat. Alcoat is an Italian fashion brand and like a lighter version of Zara, I will say. It's from Italy and the price is super friendly. This is only like a 25 euros, something like that.
The store looks very expensive.
Oh yeah, the store like a...
And everything looks expensive.
Yes, it looks like a high-level store. The interior design is super cool, like woody and green. I really like their green label color.
Oh,
Yeah,
so
like
good.
dark green.
It's luxury green.
They have like many photos, NBA stars, and Justin Bieber, singers. The whole thing is super fashion, super fancy.
Their
you know?
decoration is so good.
Yeah, so good. I would recommend you to buy it. And she also buy the pants, you can show them. Yeah, the shape is quite good.
Super cool. Damn!
How much for this one? Also cheap, right? Like 30, 75, something like that.
Next.
Ha! These are from
Zara.
Zara. First one.
Oh my god, this is so good. Many people have seen this one. This is a Zara jacket and this is a bomber.
High neck jacket.
So good! This is so good. It looks formal and casual in the same time.
And the silhouette is quite cropped. The shape is quite relaxed. I like the sleeves here. When you wear on it, like boom, 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 boom.
Ah, yeah, the silhouette is so good.
And the first time I see, I want to buy two. Yeah, and we try in the fitting room like, it's good.
Yeah.
But it's too short for me. It's too short.
Women wear, but men also can wear.
Yeah, when I wear,
So good.
you know.
And there's a pocket.
Yeah.
You can put hand.
You can also there's a pocket because this one is the fake one.
Yeah, it's fake.
Yeah, you can put here.
Put hand inside here.
I would say it's a spring jacket. Yes, sir.
See.
You see the sleeves here? It's like a little bit like a bat.
Yeah, it's like butterfly shape
It looks like a high-end jacket.
vibe.
Not like Zara, you know.
It looks casual, but look good inside.
Yeah, it looks really good. It looks really good. I would say like 9 out of 10.
I give 10.
You'll give
No,
9.5.
9.5.
9.5.
Here, it's hard to zip up.
Oh yeah. When she always want to zip up,
It always
was stuck here.
I don't know why.
Okay, so next
Next.
one. Okay, this is my jacket, and this also is a high neck jacket, and it's more warm than this one because it's thicker. Inside is like 铺面. I don't know how to say English. 铺面. The length is quite short, so I can wear like more clean.
So good. Many people ask him, where do you buy this jacket?
See, when we go shopping, and like the staff's like looking at my jacket like,
Yeah.
hey bro, where did you buy this? I
Yeah,
say,
what is this brand?
And when I say
So
Zara, and they say, oh Zara.
Yeah.
They quiet. They go,
Ah.
oh Zara. So it means what? I am 衣架子.
ไปต่อเลย
I'm saying. It's short here, so when you zip up,
It looks good. And you know what? He's not gonna buy this one because he said, I never wear any jacket like this shape, right?
Oh, really?
Right? And I only will buy this one who wear like for a Louis Vuitton interview. but then it looks so damn good.
Yeah, because
So he wear every fucking day.
because why I bought this jacket is because I'm gonna go to the interview from Louis Vuitton, and I was like, okay, this one is more formal, you know. So I bought this one. Yeah, it's really good, and the structure, so good. I would say 10 out of 10, bro.
My eyes.
See?
My eyes good. My eyes so good.
好啦。
Next one. Ah! Zara pant. I like it.
Here it has
wide.
a very huge plait here on both sides.
Yeah.
It will make your silhouette more wider.
When I wear it, gives me Japanese vibe.
Oh yeah. And this Zara is from their ZW collection. It's a little bit premium line, so the texture of the fabric will be better than the normal line. And this fabric is more like a suit pants fabric, not elastic, but more formal vibe. It's very smooth, bro. I really want to try this one.
Why you don't try?
konnichiwa. 저는 no, that's Japanese. That's Korean. konbanwa. See. The plate here, super huge, bro. Damn. These are the Zara collection, okay?
From us.
Next one.
Huzo, my first jean jacket.
Oh yes, I cannot believe that she never bought any denim jacket.
I never had any denim jacket.
Oh my god, because
my whole life.
when she wears denim jacket, it's really good.
I never had. So I just buy a basic color. Black.
That one, yeah.
Play safe, bro.
Because she doesn't like blue. This is an original trucker jacket, and this one is from their premium line because you can see here, there's a tag. It's called Levi's Premium Quality Clothing. Oh my god, so cool. So the quality is slightly better than regular versions, and especially the fabric and the construction. And it's a little bit washed. I really like their buttons. It's super old vintage style. See?
I really like it.
Right? You cannot believe that she never buy any denim jacket. Oh my god, what the?
Yeah. Because jacket is hot in Thailand, so I don't wear any jacket.
Ah, yeah, because of the
Any
weather in
jacket.
Thailand. Yeah.
So denim, don't think about it.
And because she knows I'm a denim lover, I have like a 6'5".
6, 7.
I have like 6'7" denim jackets. I'm gonna buy this one, you know, but I think the silhouette is too feminine for me.
Because it's crop.
In my opinion, before, I think Levi's is like a cheap brand.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, but actually it's not. Like this jacket is called like 130 euro.
It's not that cheap. Good quality.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
like-
good quality. Very good. Next one is a vintage beige t-shirt from Another Gift, and the texture, oh my god, super soft. Super comfy, you know? Block party logos, and I love the back. Oh my god, you see the back side here? Many American vintage pattern on it. There's a barbecue, Honor the Gift. Yeah, super cute.
Yeah.
And there's also a small American logo here. About Honor the Gift, I can introduce a little bit. It's founded by NBA player Russell Westwood. And everyone say like he's fashion or he's overrated, blah blah blah. But I would say his brand, Honor the Gift, I like the style because it's like vintage American style, and they have a lot of graphic tees and cultural elements. I remember you can find it in Juice Taipei. If you're interested, check it out. I would say their prices are quite high for their jackets. I remember it's like a 5,000-6,000, something like that. So it's not a cheap brand because you know Russell Westbrook. I would say from a celebrity, it will be not cheap. Let's go. Oh yo! Oh my god! This is my favorite item today. Oh my god!
My most one also.
You too?
Yeah.
This is a pants from Badson. Oh my god! Damn!
Super cool. And we bought the same color. Damn.
Yeah, Badson.
I think it's like a original color from them.
Yeah, they have four
very
colors like camel, blue, and
Like
rust,
a light blue.
black. Yeah. Oh my
So
god.
I think this is more special color
Yes.
from them compared
Yes.
to other colors.
Because the color they washed, oh my god, so beautiful. On the pants, I don't know how it is called, but I asked GPT, it said it's like a decorative dart.
I never seen any brand do like this.
Yeah, because this is their iconic element. You can see inside, they sew the pants like this. Super cool. It makes your pants more constructive, and I think it's a little bit boot cut, right?
Yes.
Yeah, a little bit like.
And the detail for the belt here, I really like it.
Yeah, the shape is not like a normal, like just rectangle. Yeah. It's like a triangle. Super cool.
They are detailed.
They are really detailed. Distressed here, here, and also here. They wash and they distress. Super cool. And their button is their own button.
Logo.
Yeah, their logo on it.
And the head tag behind.
And
so good.
Badson, this brand, I follow them when they just start this brand. When their followers only like a few K, you know. But it's too expensive for me.
Yeah, it's quite expensive.
My favorite one I will say is the jacket one. No, it's their hoodie. Their hoodie, their shape here is like here, super cute. The color they use is like gradient styles. And Badson, this brand is from Utah. The style of this brand is not like a mainstream. It's more niche. And designs are more experimental and creative. And many celebrities wear their pants and clothes. You guys can go to check their Instagram. Their visualization.
Their clothes, their collection are fucking cool.
Yeah, because like there's no big logo on it. But when you see,
but the style.
Badson.
Yeah, it's unique.
Oh my god, their new collection, they have a red jacket and they have a big cross here. Oh my god, damn.
It looks heavy. It's very light.
Yes. Oh my god.
I like it. When I just got this one, I was like, oh, it's light. It's light. And everyone see us when we wear this one.
Yes. They have another pants. Is a embroidered one and have many cherry blossom on it.
Yeah.
That
one also cool.
That one is heavy because my friend got that one. This length is super long. I have to fix it.
Super long.
I have to fix this one. Yeah, but the shape, super cool. My god, super cool. Very. And here you can see I button up because it can be more boot cut. You can see in front of side.
Or the regular shape.
Yeah, this is after button up, and this is the regular normal shape. Super cool. And the color, damn bro. This is the last one. Ta-da! Is a bag from Gaston Luga. As always, this is our second time collaboration, and because first time I had a olive green bag, right, triple bag, and this time I choose the black handy bag. I really like this bag. First, Gaston Luga collab with Nikon, you know, so it's designed for you can put your camera, you can put your phone inside. So when I went to Greece, I put one instant export 2 and one power bank and one pocket 3.
Functional,
really
practical,
very practical,
and
bro.
durable.
It's waterproof. You can see the texture here, very smooth. They always use eco-friendly ingredients to make their bags. And inside, I think it's also waterproof because the fabric here is like a jacket, something else. There's a small Sweden flag here, super cute. And here you have 3 lanes to choose. Like first one, how many
stuff you have.
How many stuff you have. You can choose your side. You have a small pocket here. Here you have a zipper bag. See, she really likes the texture. Yes, it's really smooth.
It looks formal.
Yeah.
The look is minimal and clean.
More mature. The most important thing is it's not ugly. It's cool. I was considering about which bag should I buy, and this bag just so perfect. My promo code 6+0 blah, 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 blah. Here you can have 50% off discount if you use my promo code.
It worth. Trust me. This bag.
Finito. These are the old items for this video. We have more like 20 items. Okay?
Stay tuned.
Yeah, stay tuned. If you're interested, use my promo code to buy Gaston Luga bag. My favorite, I would say, is Badson pants. How about you?
Same.
Badson pants? Oh, this is super nice. And please tell me what is your favorite item, okay? Comment below. See you next time. See you. Bye bye.